Having now spent time with One UI 4.0 Beta 1 and Beta 2 on the Galaxy S21, we thought we would bring you our top favorite features on Android 12 with One UI 4.0. Hi, Ben from SamMobile. If you enjoy new videos like this, then be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new videos on YouTube with SamMobile TV. Here is our top 5 favorite features on One UI 4.0 with Android 12. Quick disclaimers, this video is not to state which features are the best, but more our favorite features on One UI 4.0 so far at SamMobile. This is also not a how-to video or breakdown of One UI 4.0, as we've covered that in previous videos, which we highly recommend you watch. With that said, let's start with the first one, which is color theme. This is definitely a nice addition to the overall theme of One UI 4.0, following close to Material You. This is great, as the additional 4 color themes are based on the wallpaper and theme you select. At the time of this recording, we are using Beta 2 of One UI 4.0, and apart from a few native Samsung apps and Google apps, the changes to the color accents in the general UI are a nice touch. From the quick settings to the button toggles and the apps that support color themes, this is a nice aesthetic touch and we are here for it. Let's hope this goes even deeper on a system level with more apps come the final version of One UI 4.0. I think it's safe to say we've all been and are still guilty of using our phones in bed at night before going to sleep. How to reduce or cut down that habit is a discussion for another day, but in the meantime, having this new accessibility feature of dimming on display even more and even having the ability to adjust the intensity of it is a feature that is most welcomed, a nice touch, and definitely helps when using your phone at nighttime. We still recommend using your phone less at nighttime, but if it's a hard thing to stop doing anytime soon, be sure to use this feature. This feature here, hands down, is my personal favorite in the SamMobile team. The fact that now it works with more apps and also the addition of mic mode to affect the different sound pickup from the microphone when on a video call to the end users that you're on the call with adds a level of control when dynamically live on the spot when having a video call is definitely something I'm a massive fan of. As someone personally that has a lot of family across the globe constantly on video calls, being able to remove the background with blur, solid colors, and still images of my choice while controlling the mic pickup for the best audio experience is such an underrated feature. This one here is my personal favorite by far. As someone that watches a lot of videos, especially on YouTube, since having a YouTube Premium account, using picture-in-picture has been one of my favorite features. Being able to have a window of your video playing while moving between apps is a nice thing to have. In the past, you could only resize picture-in-picture from the corners and only to a certain size. Now with One UI 4.0, you are able to pinch the zoom to make it bigger, which just makes more sense, and also the window can get slightly bigger than before. This small addition to an otherwise solid feature from before makes so much more sense now that you can do it this way. As someone who values multitasking with split screen and has always appreciated how even Samsung from the longest time has had this feature way before it was supported natively on Android, this feature is something I use all the time. The frustrating part is when you land on one of your favorite or a few of your favorite apps that just do not support split screen. The addition of labs in advanced features, which pushes support for apps that do not support split screen, really helps. Yes, at the time of this recording, it can be buggy and hopefully irons out to be much more of a smooth experience later on down the line. But for me, I will take what I can get with more apps supporting split screen this way. Have you had the chance to use One UI 4.0 with Android 12? Let us know in the comment section below what are some of your favorite features so far with it. For all the latest news in the world of Samsung daily, be sure to visit us at sammobile.com. For all the latest videos on SamMobile TV on YouTube, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, and we will see you next time.